Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear the application cache on AliExpress app. So let's get started right away. Now, if your application is not working properly, then make sure that it is updated to the latest version. Once you are sure that it is updated, in order to fix some minor bugs, you can clear the cache by long pressing on the AliExpress application and then tapping on the info button at the top. This will then take you into the application info page for AliExpress. First tap on Force Stop at the bottom right corner and tap on OK to stop the app. You can then scroll down and tap on Storage. Now from the Storage menu, tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right corner. And now this will clear all of the application cache for AliExpress. After this, try running the application now and you will see that there are no issues anymore. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to clear the application cache for AliExpress. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.